Going to hunt Christmas gifts for no specific reason at all. Wait, this must be a gift. Wait, that's not a gift. Peter's the best. Is that you? Yes, it's actually me. I shook because I ate the slime. Wait, what? I thought it was illegal to eat slime. But this is the weird aqueduct state thingy, right? There are no walls here. Since when did I have a state? Just now. Well, I can find a way to grow you back. I just need to make sure that Tails doesn't come like last time. Okay. Let's go find someone. Hello? Part 3 soon. December 21st, 2022 or December 22nd, 2022.